How do I pack my product into a pouch? Well, there are several ways to do that. The first and the most obvious, of course, is to do it by hand. There are lots of problems associated with that, which I won't go into a huge amount of detail, but you can overweigh, underweigh, you've got waste, spillage, contamination, and of course speed and your time. And your time as a business owner is very, very important to you. And I'm sure if you're watching this video, you are looking for a way to move away from hand packing. The next way is to look for what we would call, they're referred to by different terms. Some will call it a linear weigh head, which is more of a technical term, or a single weigh head. It also may be referred to as a filling and weighing machine. It could be referred to as a dosing machine. They all do the same thing. And what happens is you pour your ingredients into the top of the machine. You then set the weight on the control panel. Once you press start and the machine reaches its target weight, you then have to interact with that machine either by a sensor when you present your pouch, or you press a foot pedal and it will dispense into that pouch for you. You can then seal the pouch on a sealing machine and then open another pouch ready for dosing for the next one. That's pretty much the best way to do it. However, there are many other options and ideas that we could potentially help you with should you need any advice. Please do feel free to get in contact with us. We would absolutely love to help you. All the contact information is clearly marked on our website, and thank you very much for watching.